Hello, good day. I would like to introduce to you MILESTO Aurora X20. Its outer body is made of stainless steel, but it is in touch with wood. This machine has two color variants. It can be wood and also it can be white. Before I tackle about the functionality of the machines, I would like to tell you the inclusions of the machine. We have the manual, extra rubber gasket, tools, single basket, a single spout, wood tamper that has 58 mm circumference, pitcher that has a capacity of 600 ml, a portafilter with double basket and also double spout for double shot purposes. So what's good in this machine? This machine is a dual boiler system. You can do steaming and brewing at the same time. You can get hot water and steaming at the same time. The boiler capacity is 540 ml. The material for its boiler is pure copper. The power wattage is 2550 wattage. It is advisable to plug it into your main outlet to avoid short circuits. Its water reservoir is water tank type, and its water tank has a capacity of 3 liters. The frontal display hot water lever where you can get the hot water, extraction lever where you can brew the coffee, steaming one that has a 360 degree rotation, steam tip that has 3 holes, steaming lever for steaming, pressure gauge, and from the PID. PID is where you can set the temperature and pre-infusion. Set the temperature. All you need to do is press the letter M. Use the positive sign to increase the temperature up to 96 and negative sign to decrease. And 88 po yung minimum na temperature. Kapag nakapag-decide na po kayo kung anong temperature, press the letter N to set. For the pre-infusion, press the negative sign and positive sign in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. And use the positive sign to increase the seconds up to 9 seconds po yung maximum, and negative sign to decrease. 0 po yung wala o kung ayaw nyo po ng pre-infusion. And once naka-decide na po kayo, just press the letter M. And for this side, this is for the brewing time. And that's all for the functionality of this machine.